Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the water feed tube assembly on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new water feed tube assembly for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The water feed tube is a conduit that delivers and distributes water from the dishwasher's circulation pump to the spray arms. If the tube is damaged, leaks, or becomes clogged, water may not reach the spray arms properly, which can result in poor cleaning performance. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Then, pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. The lower wash arm is held in place by a rotating coupler. Gently twist the coupler to the left to disconnect, then lift the wash arm up and out. Then, gently pull up on the manifold's water tube to disconnect it from the pump cover. Then, lift the manifold to remove it from the dishwasher. Fully extend the third level rack. The rack is held in place by an end cap on either track. To remove it, flip both end caps to the open position. Lift up on the front of the rack to clear the first set of wheels. Pull the rack forward until the second set of wheels align with the opening and lift up and out to remove. The middle rack is held in place by hooked retainers on the back of both track and mount assemblies. To remove the rack, lift up on the front first, then pull forward to release the tabs on the rack adjusters from the hooked retainers. The water feed tube is held in place by two retaining clips, one on the top of the dishwasher's tub and one on the back. To remove the tube from the retainer clip on the top of the dishwasher's tub, gently pry the metal retaining tabs away from the bracket while pulling down. Then, to press one of the locking tabs on the back of the dishwasher's tub while sliding the water feed tube to the side to remove it from the bracket. There are two retaining tabs that hold the water feed tube to the pump cover. Gently pry the retaining tabs out while pulling on the water feed tube to remove it. If you need to purchase a new water feed tube, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on the dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the water feed tube into the pump cover. Then, align the water feed tube to the bracket on the back of the dishwasher's tub. Press the tube back into the metal bracket and pinch the tabs together to ensure a secure fit. Then, align the water feed tube to the bracket on the top of the dishwasher's tub. Then, press the tube back into the metal bracket and pinch the tabs together to ensure a secure fit. Extend both third level tracks. Align the rack's rear set of wheels to the openings in the tracks, and then set the wheels in place. Then, slide the rack back, align, and insert the second set of wheels. Now, flip both end caps into the closed position and push the rack back into the dishwasher. To install the middle rack, insert the back while aligning the tabs on the rack adjusters to the hooked retainers on the track assemblies. Then, rotate the front into place, being sure that the tabs seat in the retainers. Align the manifold with the water supply tube on the back of the dishwasher's housing and press to secure it in place. Then, insert the manifold back into the pump cover. Then, align the prongs on the lower wash arm to the gaps on the pump cover. Connect the wash arm by twisting the coupler to the right until it clicks into place. Align the wheels on the lower rack to the track on the door and set in place. Then, push it back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.